We start this morning with news on the coronavirus pandemic, the U.S. nearing 25 million cases, and concern over those variants continuing to rise. Moderna out with some news this morning on its vaccine, and Yahoo Finance's Anjalee Khemlani joins us now with the latest on that story. Anjalee.
Thanks, Miles. Yep. So we just found out Moderna released news that it has been studying the variants, both the one out of the UK as well as the one out of South Africa. And it looks like the current vaccines are effective against the UK strain, which had been sort of expected. The South Africa strain is the one causing more concern. And while they do have evidence that it might be working, they are launching a phase 1 study of a booster shot that could defend further against that South African strain. We know that these strains have continued to be of concern, and while viruses do mutate normally, these are the ones that are causing additional spread. We also got news over the weekend of a California strain that was found in about a quarter of sample sequence, and it looks like that might have been the cause of the recent surge in the state, but not sure if it was the predominant reason or if it was just an addition to everything else that was contributing to the spread there. So still a lot of concern over that. We also, on the vaccine front, got a little bit of news out of Pfizer talking about how they will be able to ship fewer vaccine vials because of, we knew reports earlier were saying that it is able, individuals, clinical professionals were able to get an additional dose out of these vials, which helps to sort of extend that supply. And so that's really great news to sort of balance out all the other news we're getting. But of course, all of this with all eyes on the ongoing rise in case counts. We know we've gotten to that 25 million mark. Globally, we're just about at 100 million cases. So still very concerning globally, guys.
Yeah, Anjalee, a lot going on as the pandemic continues apace here in the U.S., and I think certainly some renewed focus on the pandemic now that we have gotten through the election and Joe Biden has been seated as the current president, I should say.